Have you ever wanted to invest in the world's biggest companies, but felt like it was just too complicated? Maybe you've heard all about the S&P 500, Tesla, or Apple, but thought investing overseas was only for the pros. Well, you're not alone. Many people believe that breaking into U.S. markets comes with a mountain of paperwork and a wallet-emptying list of fees. But what if I told you there's a platform that makes U.S. investing simple and affordable, even for beginners? Today, we're diving into exactly that with a deep look at Spaceship. Specifically, we're answering the question everyone wants to know: what are the fees for U.S. investing at Spaceship? First, let's get a few things straight. Spaceship's fee structure for U.S. investing is designed to be simple and transparent. They operate on a subscription model, which is a bit different from the traditional brokerage model where you pay a fee for every single trade. This approach is great for those who want to invest regularly without being penalized for making multiple small investments. So, let's break down the main fees you'll encounter. The first is a monthly fee. If you're already a Spaceship Voyager customer and have paid the monthly fee for that service, you'll get access to U.S. investing for an additional $2 per month. If you're new to Spaceship or don't have a Voyager account, the monthly fee is $4. This single monthly fee gives you access to unlimited trades on a wide range of U.S. stocks and ETFs. That's a huge benefit if you plan on dollar-cost averaging and making regular, small investments. The second key fee is the foreign exchange, or FX, fee. Because you're an Australian investor buying U.S.-listed securities, your Australian dollars need to be converted to U.S. dollars. Spaceship charges an FX fee of 0.7% of the trade value. This fee is applied whenever you buy or sell a U.S. security, and it's deducted directly from your transaction amount. It's important to remember this one, as it's separate from the monthly subscription fee. Now, you might be thinking, what about brokerage fees? This is where Spaceship really stands out. There are no brokerage fees for buying or selling U.S. shares. This is a massive cost saver, especially for those who trade frequently or want to build their portfolio over time with small contributions. Finally, there are some minor third-party fees. These are not charged by Spaceship, but rather by U.S. regulatory bodies. For instance, there's a small Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, fee and a Trading Activity Fee, or TAF, which are both applied when you sell a U.S. security. These fees are usually just a few cents and are so small they often go unnoticed, but it's good to know they exist. So, in summary, Spaceship's U.S. investing fees are a simple two-part structure: a monthly subscription fee and a foreign exchange fee on each trade. No brokerage fees, no hidden surprises. This makes it an incredibly accessible and affordable option for anyone in Australia looking to take their first step into the U.S. stock market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.